Hello again guys, welcome to your crochet guide. Today we're going to be learning the stitch called a treble in US terms and a double treble in UK terms. So to get started we need our yarn and we need our 4mm crochet hook. And the first thing we're going to do, like always, is grabbing our tail and doing a slip knot. So that's how you do it. You cross it on your left index finger like that. Then you grab your working yarn and then over your index finger and hold it. Then grab your hook. I have a tutorial for a slip knot and chaining, which you're going to be always using. Now, if you are now in this step, you just got to grab your hook and put your hook under the second loop here and go over everything to create this knot and pull to make it tighter, and then put your hook in this loop and then pull on your working yarn to make it tighter. Now I'm going to chain for a bit. So to chain, just yarn over and pull through. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So now I have 3 chains, and I'm just going to do the number that I want of how much chains I want, and I'm going to come back. So this is how many chains I did. You can do however much you like. And as we know, we're going to skip the first V and then go into the second V. So the US treble crochet or the UK double treble, to start you need to yarn over, as we know. So yarn over, just like that, again, under and over. And then we go into the second V. We go through it. We have to do a double yarn over, and then we go into the second V, and then we yarn over again, and then we pull through. Now we have 4 loops on our hook because we did 2 yarn overs. So now we do another yarn over and we pull through 2. Now we do another yarn over and we pull through the second 2, and then last yarn over, pull through the last 2. Now let me clear that up a bit more. So you're gonna yarn over twice. So you have to go under and over, and then under and over again. And then we're going to go into the next stitch. We go in, we yarn over, and we pull out, so that we have these 4 loops on our hook. Then we yarn over again, we pull through 2, so that we have 3 loops on our hook. Then we yarn over again, and then we pull through 2, and then we yarn over for the last time, and we go through these last 2. And this stitch kind of looks like a pretty huge double crochet, and it's also pretty beautiful. So let's practice that one more time. Yarn over, go into the next stitch, then yarn over, pull out, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through these last 2. Now again, we yarn over twice, like that. So it's under and over, and then under again, and then over again, so that you have these kind of 2 lines there. And then we go into the stitch to the second, or like the next V, and then we go under and over, so we yarn over, then we pull out, so that we have these 4 loops on our hook. And you can widen this a bit if you're a beginner and it's a bit hard to pull through your loops. So it's a bit wider, then yarn over, under and over, and then you pull through just 2, then again you yarn over and you pull through 2. and then yarn over and pull through the last 2. So that's it. I'm going to complete the row and show you how it looks. Now my row is almost finished. That's how it looks. And I just have 2 stitches left. So let's practice. We're going to yarn over twice, just like that. And then I'm going to go into the stitch here. Then I'm going to yarn over, pull out, so that I have these 4 loops on my hook. Then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through these last 2. Now the last one, yarn over twice, go into this stitch or the V, and then yarn over, go out, yarn over, go out through 2 loops, or pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through the last 2. And that is my whole row. So this time when we want to do the second row, we're not just going to chain once, we're going to chain twice. So we're going to go 1 and then 2 to build up height, because this is a longer stitch than single crochet or double crochet, so we need to chain more or it's going to be too short. And then as usual we flip, and then again we yarn over twice, go into the first space under the whole V, and then yarn over, go out, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through the last 2. So again, yarn over twice, then go through the next space. So here, under the whole V, make sure that you're under the V, and then yarn over, then pull out 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have just 2, so yarn over, pull through these last 2 stitches, or 2 loops. I'm going to finish row 2 and show you how it looks. Now I only have the last stitch left, so I'm going to yarn over twice, go through the stitch, yarn over, go out, then pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over, pull through the last 2. And that is the US treble or the UK double treble. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.